This landslide has occurred almost around 400 meters from this railway station at Pernem. There is a tunnel there. Test. So what exactly happened?
Yeah, today morning around 3 o'clock, east side wall of Pernem tunnel, that's 300 meters inside from this south face of this Mangalore end of the tunnel, is around 5 meter length wall has collapsed. Maybe it may be because of heavy rain and gushing water. Maybe because of that, but we are ascertaining the facts. What's the reason? Like,
So any diversion of trains
yeah,
and what exactly?
on account of this, we have diverted these 3-4 trains which are plying these days as special trains, like Mangala Express, Netravati Express, Rajdhani Express. These trains have been diverted via Panvel, Miraj, Panvel, Pune, Miraj, Londa, Madgaon. They'll touch Madgaon and then we'll go ahead.
When do you expect this to resume
It will
again?
take around 3-4 days at least.
3 4 days.
Yeah.